7 nicest cities in the world. Number 7. Marrakesh, Morocco. The world's easiest city to meet people is Marrakesh, which tops the list. Because of its renowned palaces, 5-star dining establishments, opulent spas and hammams, and lovely raids in the Medina, Marrakesh is also regarded as the city of luxury. The Mamounia and its lovely gardens, the opulent Royal Mansour Hammam, and Namaskar Palace's elegant food are a few examples. Number 6. Prague, Czech Republic. Take a tram in Prague to discover one of the world's most stunning cities. Prague is renowned for its vibrant cultural scene. There were the first performances of Don Giovanni and the Prague Symphony by Wolfgang Amadeus Mozart, who resided there. Even after you've visited the typical must-see attractions like Prague Castle, the astronomical clock, and Charles Bridge, there is still a ton to do. Number 5. Amsterdam, the Netherlands. It serves as the Netherlands' capital and major economic and financial hub. Amsterdam is well known among the large number of tourists who come here each year for its historical landmarks, outstanding art collections. The city is home to some of the most famous canals in the world, and its architecture is quite unique. Number 4. Glasgow, Scotland. This year, Glasgow is the friendliest city in the entire globe. The Glasgow School of Art is the most noteworthy example of the city's contributions to architectural styles. Due to the affluence of the city's merchants, neoclassical architecture with its clean lines and massive, imposing majestic structures became more popular in the 18th century. Number 3. Medellín, Colombia. For those looking for a good time, Medellín in Colombia is the place to visit this year. It ranks first for community spirit and is at the top of the list for its nightlife, partying, and food and drink. And all across the city, a number of design-forward boutique hotels are emerging, showcasing outstanding Colombian workmanship. Number 2. Chicago. Chicago is special because of its stunning, internationally known works of art, like this digital fountain in Millennium Park. Whether you want to experience top-notch dining at high-end restaurants or outstanding family-run eateries, party until 4 a.m. at historic clubs. Spend a day soaking up the sun along Lake Michigan, see iconic artworks, or just wander among different neighborhoods. Number 1. Edinburgh, Scotland. The best nicest city this year is Edinburgh. Overall, the city receives outstanding marks and wins the title of most picturesque city in the world. It is also the most walkable city, making it the ideal choice for those who want to see historical sites. Walking through scenic and architectural hotspots. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy this video, please subscribe to our channel and like the video.